Hapdeng ka Jing Pyrkhing jong ki board district but magistrate Haka Jingialam jong ka Jingialam ka Voice of the People Party ki Nongialam jong ka Voice of the People Party hapoh ka Jingialam jong uba Ardent President rangbah jong ka party katba kidang thmu bantur Khmat Secretariat kila shah no haki board district hajan Mbose office katei ka jing shah jong ki kila shong la ka shong no Hapdeng surok la kumba katto katne minit namar hynrei hadien kumba katto katne minit da ka jing kren sngewthuh jingmut ki magistrate kila shah yaki bat aidlad ban shong additional secretariat.
We have agreed with the district administration we will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know. Then, ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ ਮਿਲੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ some voice companies cannot come. Yes. No, sir. We are here to escort you, sir. Please, kindly, sir. We will allow you here. We know that. We have allowed you here, sir. I think that if you go to the spirit of section 144, you will understand clearly that this has been imposed or okay, this has been invoked just to prevent that. Trust me, I trust you. We are not here to prevent. What us, you know, elected representatives as a party. Great. Vpp long live! Vpp long live! Long live! Vpp! Allowance kemudian ini selek kan yang ni kalau kerja agak betul Section 144 RPC kalau unlawful because Supreme Court ruling 1965 has spelled out very clearly you cannot invoke Section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances so you are just contempt the court. The ruling is a contempt of court. The order of the deputy commissioner. So you convey that to the deputy commissioner, and we know well what is Section 144 RPC. I've explained to them. It was mentioned in Chapter 10, Part C. This Section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have we apprehended that we will create any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there? We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then we will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go. Not necessarily that we have to go 5 or 6. You apply your mind, you know that we know the law. We are a lawmaker, we are not going to violate law. I told the police if you have sufficient inputs that we are going to create any trouble, you can put us, you can apply MPDA, you can arrest us under preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression or protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it. So which is why I'm telling them, allow us, we will go. Then we will decide there, not here. We can go in. We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. If you are stopped here, we will not go.
No, we will.
We are patient enough,
Sir.
like what we did last time.
Sir.
We protested in the main secretariat and we feel that
Hello, sir.
the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner, no? Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the court, because if we go to the court, your political master will not face a problem. You will face a problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we do not want to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly. And we will face, who will have to go to the court if we file a case? You the officers will have to go, not these bloody political masters.
So if you can decide on a place.